All right, this is Senior Prestige Motorsports. We're in the dining room here. Thought I'd give you a little bit of knowledge here on Borla. So you decide maybe to do a Borla. This is a stack injection. Very, very nice setup and everything. So you get it from Borla. Some of the things you should be aware of, let's just say if you're buying it to do it yourself, or you're buying it from a company maybe that hasn't done many of them, but hey, I could bolt this on your engine, not a problem. Here's some of the roadblocks you're going to end up with. When you get it from Borla, the stack, this is the injector harness that they have. So it has these pins here, nothing there. This is the Holley setup. If you decide to use Holley fuel management, that's what we'd recommend. Here's their plug-in. So obviously that doesn't join. So you have to do something there. Here's the map sensor. It basically doesn't plug in. And here's your TPS sensor. It doesn't plug in. Obviously, Borla gives you this here, and they give you another pigtail here for this. So that they make that, you have to wire it, but they make that pretty easy. This is more of the complicated situation. And what we'll do is we'll do it up, and then we'll show you what the end result is. So the key is basically, if you get an engine from us, this is all done. If you buy the Borla for us, we're able to do that for you to make your installation a lot easier if you're do it yourself. So always keep that in mind. So we'll go ahead and do all that and show you what it looks like at the end. Alrighty, so we got everything done. We've pinned our injector harness. It's just a plug and play, as you can see now. We've changed our IX, so it's a plug and play. Done our change on our TPS and our map. So now everything is just plug and play, and you don't have to worry about anything. So that's really the way it should be done. And you kind of might ask, why do we do that? Well, we really want your experience when you receive an engine from us, or let's just say you buy a Borla and you want a good experience. You don't want to have to go through all this headache. So we offer this just so you all have a good experience.